Evening, everybody. Thanks for tuning in again. I'd like to welcome everybody back for another 2020 Series 1 break here. Today we have ourselves a Target blaster box. First time I've gotten into a blaster box. I've been doing hanger packs and hanger boxes. So I was able to hit up Target yesterday, and fortunately enough, there was 2 left on the shelf. All the hanger packs were gone. All the hanger boxes were gone. So people are just gobbling this new product up. So I grabbed the one, and I actually stashed the other one back behind some stuff. Couple shelves down, a couple shelves over to the left. That way nobody could find it. So I can come back and get it when I have a little more money to purchase it. So I'm excited to get into this today. This is exclusive only at Target. And this one actually is the one that has $10 worth of coupons inside. They actually had a mix of them over there of just your standard blaster boxes, and then you had the exclusive Target ones for the coupons inside. So we're definitely going to be looking for winning tickets, gold ticket. It's a special party or whatnot, whatever it entails. We're looking for that. I think there's only been a couple of them surfaced, so yeah, that's what we're doing this evening. And let's just stop talking. Let's go ahead and get into it here. See what we can find. Pretty excited for the rookie card gold emblemed pack here. Exclusive pack. We have our cards. Here's our one exclusive rookie card retrospective, our rookie card logo medallion card inside right there. And what we got here? We got our coupons. If we can get this back in. There we go. Let's go ahead and see what kind of coupons we have here. Alright, $1.50 off of 3 packs of Series 1. $2 off of a purchase of 1 Series 1 tin. Haven't seen anything like that, any tins or anything. $1 off of 1 fat pack of Series 1. That's a pretty good coupon. $1 off of 2 packs of Heritage. $1 off of a fat pack of Heritage. 50 cents off of 3 packs of Opening Day. That's not a very good coupon. Let's see. $1 off of 2 super packs of Opening Day. $1.50 off of 1 mega box of Opening Day. $2 off of 1 value box of Gypsy Queen, and $1 off of 1 mega box of Bowman. So cool. That's pretty neat. Okay. Let's see here. Get adjusted. Get ready to go. Got the sleeves and top loaders ready in case we find something really nice here. Sorry about that. Get adjusted here, and let's go ahead and get into our pack number 1. 14 cards per pack. Right. What do we got to start us off here? Kirby Yates. Already see some sort of insert there in that first pack. John Gray. Michael Brosio, rookie card. We're going to pull all the rookie cards off to the side. Tyler White. Mike Clevenger. Billy Hamilton. Hansel Robles. Future stars of Kevin Biggio. We'll put him in the rookie card because he was rookie last year. Future stars. Yasmani Grandal. Tyler Naquin. And Got a Caleb Smith foil. Put that right there. Here's our Turkey Golds, I think is what they call them, of Otani. Not a bad card. Another Future Stars of Jeff McNeil. And a JT Riddle for a first pack there. Turkey Reds. Turkey Reds. I'm pretty sure that's the name of those cards. Pretty neat. There we go. There's our first big hit right there. Dustin May rookie card. Beautiful. Right on the top. Let's go ahead and sleeve him up. Awesome. Carrot top, I might say. It's like my son. He's a redhead. Carrot top. Which, of course, I've never call him that, though. But, anyway. Hunter Dozier. Nico Herrera rookie card. Lurie Garcia. Nicky Lopez. Sean Doolittle. Lucas Giotto. Zach Gallen rookie card. And what's our next one? Jacob Wagispack rookie card. Nice. There's a good card. Vladimir Guerrero insert. That's the exclusive Vladimir Guerrero highlight card right there. So that's not a bad card to get. Nice. Nolan Ryan. Decade's Best. 1970s. That's a sweet card. We've got an Alonso right here. Is that Yonder or Pete? That's the Pete Alonso. Turkey Red. Hope I'm saying that right. If not, hey, go ahead and leave me a comment. Pretty sure it's Turkey Red, though. Shane Bieber. And an Austin Nola rookie card. Not bad. Starting off pretty good here. I'm not disappointed. Justin Turner. Oscar Mercado. Garrett Cooper. Let's get down here a little bit. Brandon Belt. There's a Pete Alonso. Nice. League leaders. It's a good card. Merrill Kelly. Ken Giles. Angels team card right there. It looks like Shohei there in the back. Hollywood Heroes of the Dodgers. Big hair. Brewers celebrate walk-off win. And what do we have here? Topps Home Run Challenge. Nolan Arenado. What do we got here? Register for the challenge and choose the game date you think this player will hit a home run. If he does, you will win a prize. All challenge registrants will be entered into the grand prize drawing for a trip to the 2021 T-Mobile Home Run Derby. Well, cool. That's kind of like a redemption right there. I guess we'll put that off to the side up here as something that we may, send in. You never know. It'll be pretty cool. There's a Rafael Devers, Turkey Red. And Jesse Winker. Pretty cool picture right there, him catching the ball. And another Pete Alonso, Gold Cup. Right. Let's get moving through these cards a little bit quicker here. Brad Hand. Dario Agrizal. Razel Iglesias, Anthony Brandon, Tyler Glanso, yeah. UC Kikuchi, Mike Soroka, Gold Cup card, Austin Barnes, Amir Garrett, Eduardo Rodriguez. There's our 85 design insert, Kyle Schwarber. Rendon, Turkey Red. Another Kyle Schwarber right there. And a Hector Neris. Okay. Keep her going here. See if we can score us another big rookie. Okay. Albert Almora. Josh Bell. Jonathan Willer. Adam Frazier. Tommy Edman, Future Stars. Actually, pull all those out. Josh Feigley, Ryan Presley, Trent Grisham, Kurt Suzuki, Los Angeles team card, Dodgers. And there's a gold parallel right there. Mike Fears, 1533 out of 2020. Buster Posey, Turkey Red, Andrew Benintendi, and a Cesar Hernandez. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and sleeve up that gold here. Not a huge name, but it's a gold parallel, numbered card. We'll take it. See what else we can find. Robinson Cano, Julio Theran, DJ LeMahieu, right there. Blake Parker, Shane Green, Jose Martinez, Randall Grichuk. Nice Christian Yelich card right there. Let's take a look at this one. Card 200, 269. What is that one looks different for some reason. 269, okay. Wasn't sure if it's short print or something. It just kind of looked different. Travis Demerte. Another Vladimir Guerrero. Sweet home run. Put that one right there. As a decade's next 2020. Fernando Tatis. It's a nice card. Rhys Hoskins. Turkey. Anthony Santander. And then Mike Fears, which is the gold parallel we just pulled over there. I'm actually going to go ahead and sleeve up not that one. Fernando Tatis. It's a nice card. And let's go into our last pack before our retrospective logo medallion card. See what we can find here. It's a nice Aaron Judge. Cody Bellinger. Ryan Braun. Hanser Alberto. Carson Kelly. Christian Yelich. League leaders right there. Paul Goldschmidt. Johnny Cueto. Cleveland Indians team card. Oakland Athletics team card. What is this? Tops Now. Never seen this. Yordan Alvarez. First MLB home run highlights top prospect debut. Okay, hold on here. Pretty cool. Different. And we have an Aaron Judge, Turkey Red, David Peralta, and a Michael Pineda to round off that pack there. Okay, not too bad. We did get Dustin May, the gold parallel, which is not bad. Let's go ahead and get into our medallion card. yourself a nice name here. Keep it down. Reveal it slow. Alright. Bob Gibson. Oh, that's an old card. Well, an old player, I mean. Robert Gibson. St. Louis Cardinals pitcher. I like how it's embossed down into the card there. That is pretty neat. Rookie card retrospective logo medallion. That is pretty awesome. That's a cool card. Fortunately, I don't think I have any sleeves that'll fit that. I need to do a little bit of supplies shopping. Yeah. So there we go. It's a pretty neat card. Alright, let's go ahead and do a quick recap here. And we'll start with this one, the Nolan Arenado Topps Home Run Challenge. Kind of a redemption type card. We're going to go ahead and we're going to scratch that, and I'm going to go through with it and give my game date that I think he'll hit a home run, and hopefully we'll win a prize. Alright. Aaron Judge, Yordan Alvarez, Topps Now card. Another Aaron Judge base, and then the Turkey Red, Rhys Hoskins, Vladimir Guerrero insert, Buster Posey, Anthony Rendon, Schwarber, 1985 insert, Rafael Devers, Pete Alonso, nice Nolan Ryan, 1970s Decades Best, another Vladimir Guerrero highlights card, Shohei Ohtani, and a Caleb Smith foil. Let's see. Tommy Edman, Future Stars, get the Pete Alonso Gold Cup. Alonso League Leaders, Austin Nola, rookie card, Jacob Wagons Pack, rookie card, Zach Gallen rookie, Nico Herna. Jeez, I can't spell. Herna, whatever. Jeff McNeil, Kevin Biggio, Michael Braziu. We have our Bob Gibson. Nice retrospective rookie logo medallion card there. Pretty neat. Fernando Tatis, Decades Next 2020 card. Mike Fears, gold parallel out of 2020. And Dustin May, rookie card. So there you have it. That's what we get out of the blaster. It's not a bad rip, not a bad pull. Still filling out the new product here, so it's been fun. If you can't tell in the background, I was stocking up on a lot of 2019 update. Got as many fat packs as I could, just until before I couldn't find them anymore. So I'm glad I got the 11 or 12 that I did get, and the hanger boxes, of course. And then over here, I picked these up at Big Lots. They're 2018 Series 1. So when I first bought those, I still, figuring the whole card game out here, thinking I could find Acuna and Juan Soto's in there, but they weren't in until Series 2 for, what was it? Acuna Bat Down, right? I believe. And then update packs had both of them in there for the rookie cards. So I'm kind of just sitting on those Series 1. I don't know, I'll eventually open them up. Do a Series 1 2018 versus Series 1 2020 or something. See which pack value is better. So thanks for watching. Everybody have a good night. Appreciate you tuning in. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and have a good night.